Hello, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to get OPI to clicker on Mac. Now, first thing you need to do is you want to open your browser and then search for get like OPI to clicker on Mac. Just search for that, and then you will be able to see this website. It's called OPI to clicker. Click on it. Now, you will be able to download this also for Windows and your iPhone. Now, to download this for your Mac, you just need to click here. It says download for Mac, and then you can either download it on the App Store or you can just click on download this blue button. It's going to be like an easy way so that you can download the file directly. Just click on it. Don't worry, this doesn't contain any virus. After that, this is the file after it's downloaded. Now just press and hold, drag it to your desktop. This is going to be a little bit different on your Mac, but you get the points. Very easy. Just click or right click on the file, then click on extract all. After that, you want to click on extract. Okay, so next you want to click on extract again. Now after that, after you extract the files, you want to click on them. Okay, and then you will be able to see these two folders. Click on the first one, then click on the program so that you can install it on your Mac. Even if it says something like, are you sure you want to open this folder? Just click on continue because this is trusted. And here you can get more information. For example, if you click on content, you will be able to see the resources, everything, information about the program. So it's very easy to install. Just click on the first folder like I said, then install it. Okay, so hopefully this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment, so please drop a like. That would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.